What's up, team? Correct bar path on the way down of a deadlift is a challenge. Sometimes our cue is something like keep the bar close to your body, and the athlete do like this. Yeah, rest. All right, but coaching should be fun too. Sometimes the variance of the cueing helps a lot the athletes understand and keep the mood of your class a little bit more soft. I use this cue that call it a billiard shot. That cueing is like a billiard shot, but on the hip of the athlete. Again, stand. Relax. Sometimes you don't need to do a tactile one. Just the show of the billiard shot on the hip make them understand that the hips will initiate the movement. It's helped me a lot. Try it out.
Thank you for watching, and if you found that helpful and you want more of this kind of content, we have literally hundreds of videos just like this, from practical tips and tricks to theory to everything in between, all in the knowledge. And if you want to learn from me directly and our cohort of level 4 staff members, then we also have the Knowledge Pro, which we do weekly calls and live interaction and homework and everything else in between. If you want any more information or would like to have a free trial of the knowledge, please click the link in the description below and get after it.